ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আই এম সোহেল মাহমুদ আরাফাত। আজকে আসলে অস্ট্রেলিয়া নিয়ে কিছু তথ্য শেয়ার করব। লাইক ফর এ ভেরি লং টাইম উই ডোন্ট হ্যাভ এনি ভিডিও রিগার্ডিং অস্ট্রেলিয়া. It has been seen that Australia is one of the best destinations for the Bangladeshi students. A lot of students, I mean the bright students, go to Australia. So I would say if you want a better career, good career, and something you are very career centric, you should try and go to Australia. And this is a fact that the students who opt to go to Australia, they have got a good IELTS results and their academic background is good. So in fact, when students choose Australia, they know for the reasons of choosing it. So today I will talk about few things about Australia, because unlike other countries where it takes a long time to take the decision whether the documents you provided are right or wrong. Like you come to know at the end when the visa is rejected, but in Australia you get it beforehand. Like when you apply with relevant qualification, like your academic qualification is up to the mark and your IELTS result has also matched with the university requirements, and then you apply. Good. And when you apply afterwards, you get a conditional offer letter. When you get the conditional offer letter, there will be some conditions which you need to meet. So for meeting the conditions, you will provide all the documents as a sponsor, the documents that are required, and also the supporting documents. So the documents you are providing will go through GTE, means it's called, kind of genuine permanent entrant. So GTE. So GTE will assess the documents you have provided. Once you pass the assessment from GTE, then the visa possibility becomes more than 98%. So as long as GTA has passed, you get the green signal from GTA. So it means that your visa is almost assured. So this happens only in Australia. So this is a good side, a positive aspect of studying in Australia. So once you get that signal, then it will pass on to the next stage, which will be like you should provide the tuition fees to the universities for a semester plus insurance, which is around 450 Australian dollars. And when you pay that, then you will be given COE, confirmation of enrollment. So once you get the confirmation of enrollment, COE, then you apply for visa application. So for visa application, if we convert in Bengali, it will be like 42,000 BDT around. And also there will be BFS fee and medical BFS like 3,700 and medical for 400 and 500. So these would be the expenditure. And apart from that, if we go back regarding the sponsor, that it should be like around 30 to 40 lakhs the sponsor should be, and for the dependent you should add additional 10 lakhs around. And for the dependents, if he or she does not go to school, then like 7 lakhs around. And if he or she becomes school goers, then for the same person, for the school goers, it should be around 10 lakhs. So these are the requirements, or these are the amount of money you should show in the account for sponsors. And once again, whatever we are showing or you are showing, make sure you have got all the supporting documents. And the GTE, which I mentioned earlier, the main purpose that they are giving you the opportunity to study, and you should use that route for studies, and you should not go to Australia just to be a citizen. So they will ensure, or they will focus on those things as well. So make sure when you give your SOP that is very much connected with your previous studies, and there will be some candidates who has got jobs, and there should be a good connection between your jobs and what you are going to study in Australia. So there should be good connections. And if you say that you will come back from Australia to do some job, and there should be ample of those job opportunities that you have pledged that after coming back you have these jobs in Bangladesh. So literally you have to show, and you can also provide some web addresses that these jobs are available, or job banks, job portal in Bangladesh, that in Bangladesh these jobs are available, and provided that if I complete my course in Australia. So once again, there should be, whatever you are saying, there should be some connection with evidence. So if all the things we can mention in a proper way, inshallah we'll get visa. So thank you, আজকে এই পর্যন্তই, ভালো থাকবেন, সালাম আলাইকুম।